Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do two makeup looks that are inspired by two characters from Arcane. Recently, the new season of the animation came out, and with that, many different collaborations came out with Arcane, one of them being Fenty Beauty. They released a lot of different makeup products, but they also released a filter on TikTok. And the filter has two different choices to pick from. One look that is inspired by Mel, and the other one that is inspired by Jinx. So I wanted to do makeup looks that are inspired by both characters. I cannot believe that I'm going to be doing two looks in one video. Before I get into this video, I do want to say that I'm not really trying to do like the Arcane character makeup. I more so am doing makeup that is inspired by Arcane and the animation style and the different characters. So this is just inspired makeup. I want to start off by doing Mel's makeup. I'm probably going to do my brows off camera. My TikTok video will have everything on it, so if there's a process that I don't do within this video, you can check it out on my TikTok. My TikTok is linked down below. When I come back, I'll have on some contacts. I'm going to be using these ones. So these are the 𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐥𝐬 Ending Olive color. They're super cute. Here's the packaging, and here's what the actual contacts look like. I feel like that will really work with Mel's character. I have a code for 𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐥𝐬. If you guys want to use that code when you check out at 𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐥𝐬, please feel free to do so to save some money. But yeah guys, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hi guys, I finished my brows and all the other stuff, and now I'm starting on contour. For the contour, it's really simple. I just went really heavy like this. Okay, and then I went heavy right here in my temples and right here, and that is just the basic part of the contour for this makeup look. To contour, I use this Morphe face palette in the shade Medium Vibes 8M. I'm wiping away the contour with this light grayish brown shade, so that, you know, the effect that I have with this powder can still stay, but I'm getting rid of the extra powder. Same goes for in here. It looks a little weird, but it'll come together. Okay, so we're gonna go into our contour for our nose. So I'm gonna start by creating almost like a little triangular shape over here. Okay, and then I also want to do that a little bit under my eye, like around here. So we're going to go in heavy, like right here. And then we're going to lighten it up, kind of blend it outwards. Something close to that. We're almost there. So now we're going to go in with the same Morphe palette. We're going to use that highlighting shade. And I'm going to be placing some highlight just all around my face. You guys get it? So I'm just placing this stuff all around, and I'm trying to imitate that these little highlights that Mel has. Okay, something like that, you guys. I might darken some stuff up off camera and stuff, but I'll be back once I'm ready to be back. Now I'm making some gold freckles. I've already added a few, and I'm using this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, and I'm just dotting it all over the place. I'm kind of sad though, because I had some gold foil somewhere in my room, but now I can't find it. So I have to stick with like a little highlighter now. But here's how it looks. I don't know if you guys can even see it. You'll see it. It's alright. Anyways, I'm going to continue doing that. And then I also take a tiny bit of it and I put it right under my eye. I'm also adding a tiny bit of this to my inner corner. I just finished applying some of my LA Girl shimmer spray. I used the gold one, and now my face is just really shiny now. Okay guys, so now I want to start on my lippy. I'm using this Sephora Jelly Melt lip gloss, and I used that as a stain. I let it sit and then I took it off. I'm taking a white liner and I'm going to go around my lips like this to really accentuate my vermilion border. So I'm going to be using these two lip liners. For the top lip, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Vamp, and then the bottom lip, I'm going to use this one in the shade Satin Plum. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna create a highlight on my lip. Now I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade Coconut Candy and I'm gonna line over here on top of here with it. Okay guys, and I think this is the final look. Hey guys, so I just finished up with the makeup look and I don't really think I look like Mel, but I think it's cute and I think in theory I may exist within the Arcane world. So this is part 1 of this video. I will see you guys when I start with the Jinx makeup. Hi guys, so we're starting on the Jinx makeup. So I did some brows. They're a little, I feel like they give Jinx just a tiny bit. Put on some blue contacts. I know that Jinx's eyes, like as of right now, they're pink, but I didn't want to use my pink contacts just yet. That's for another makeup look. But seriously though, I use these blue ones. These are the Galactic Blue from MoodyLenses. I do have a code for these right here. You guys can use this code when shopping at MoodyLenses to save some money. These are just super duper cute. And the thing that I love about these ones, like genuinely love about them, is that they are not just a plain blue color. It looks like an iris. Does that make any sense? Let's see if I can show you guys up close. Do you guys see? It literally looks like an iris. I hope y'all can see that. But yeah, so those are the contacts that I just put on, and I'm going to do my base off camera. If you guys want to know any products for the base, ask me down below in the comment section or go to my Instagram where I will most likely have the product listed below the picture in the caption. But yeah, I'll see y'all when it's time to do some Jinx makeup. Hey guys, do I look crazy right now to y'all? Well, I feel very crazy. It's actually 7:42 a.m. I was sitting in my bed and something was bothering me so bad. And basically y'all, I hated my last attempt at doing the Jinx makeup. It just didn't look good. To put it very frankly, I guess you could say, I look like an old woman. It wasn't giving Jinx. It kind of gave like maybe an Arcane character. And I even said that at the end of me doing makeup. Like, look, look at this. This is the Jinx makeup look. It doesn't really look like Jinx, but I could be an Arcane character. I don't know, y'all. I didn't like it. It just wasn't cute. Overall, just wasn't giving. So I decided that I wanted to redo it today. I haven't put on my moisturizer or primer yet, guys. I will see y'all after I do my eyebrows and after I do my base, and I'll be here to do the shading and the contouring and all that stuff with you guys. I'll do all the stuff with you guys that defines Arcane makeup. Okay, see y'all. Hey guys, so I just finished with doing some eyeliner and it looks alright. I don't really know what I'm about to do right now, honestly, because I don't know, I get a little stressed out looking at it because the last time I failed, so I'm scared. Let's start off with some nose contour, guys. So I'm gonna take a regular bronzer shade and I'm gonna mix it with a tiny bit of pink because she has a little bit of pinkness in there, and I'm gonna start patting that right in here. We're gonna blend that color out a little bit. And then I'm going to start bringing that color down on my nose. Okay, I'm a little confused at what I'm doing right now, you guys, because I don't even know. I'm actually gonna stop right here for the nose contour, and I think I want to move on to the eyes. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm jumping around, but first I'm gonna start off with putting some dark brown color under my eye. Now I'm gonna take a gray and I'm gonna kind of blend this gray out on top of my lid, just ever so slightly. And then I'm gonna connect this up to here. Something like that. Okay guys, so I might try to continuously go back and forth between these two colors. I do want to add a little bit of black underneath my lid to make that look a little bit more smoked out. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna be very careful about how I do it because last time it ended up looking a hot mess. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of a pink color and the brown color, pink and brown together, and I'm gonna drag this downwards like this. Kind of like like a eye bag. We'll not be blending that out because we want this to look kind of harsh in a way. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this part. I'm gonna probably deepen this up a little bit. I also might make my nose contour a little harsher, a little bit more harsh. Oh, I also wanted to add this little nose mark. I almost forgot, guys. What in the world? Just something of that sort, you guys. So I'm going to do that over here, and then I'll BRB. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to use these two Crayola markers to do some freckles on my face. I literally go like that. I just dot this little thing on my face a few times, and I take my finger and I just start patting it away. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, not too much, because I honestly don't really want to do too many of these. Okay, guys, I honestly think that's enough. I think I've kind of overdone it. I use this compact foundation to create a tiny highlight, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a actual highlighting powder, and I'm going to put that lightly on my face. Because the last time I did this, man, I think that was like one of the main problems. I just overdid it with the highlighting part, and it just ended up looking really outlandish and really crazy. So we might go kind of light with it. Still want to have that little separation over here. Okay, then we're gonna put a tiny bit on our nose. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna drag it up just a little bit. Also over here, something like that. And then I'm also gonna put a tiny bit here. This looks a lot better, you guys. Quite a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of blush. Now I'm gonna create like a little chin thing down here. Hey guys, so I've just finished up with the makeup. I did some stuff off camera, I think. No, I think I just did my mascara, and then I put on a tiny bit of this Fenty Beauty X Roblox lip gloss. We packaged this and sold it as I think they took this. Yeah guys, I finished with the makeup. I think this one is a lot better than the last one I did. I don't know what was going on with the last one. Here's the reference photo that I used, and here's me. Okay, wait. Do we look similar? I think I did a really good job this time, you guys. I really hope that all of you guys enjoyed watching this video, because doing this makeup was definitely challenging, seeing as 3 days later I decided to redo it. But with all that aside, I had a really good time doing it. It was very fun. It was very cool to learn about Arcane and like the animation style, and then try to make that animation style on my face. I think that was very fun. Once again, these contacts are from MoodyLens, and I have a 25% discount code for you guys. If you guys want to get some contacts, I do recommend MoodyLens. They do have some really nice contacts, and they're really comfortable. Like, these ones are super cute and super comfortable, and overall I do just, you know, recommend it. This code up here is actually going to expire soon at the end of the next month, December, so use it while you can if you want to. With all that being said, I am done with this YouTube video, and I will see you guys probably super soon. Bye guys.